Assalamualaikum, what is up everybody? I hope you all are sound and healthy by the grace of Almighty, and Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. I'm Nurijanet Meme and I'm your new spoken English teacher here, and I love to teach English and that is what I'm doing right now. I'm really excited to join here. I'm really happy and I guess this will be a great journey with all of you. As you know, English is everywhere. If you want to get yourself into a higher place, you must need it. If you want to be a good dealer in the meeting, if you want to be a successful person in your job life, and if you want to join in an international conference, then you must need it. And I can't just say all the points why you should learn English because there are thousands. And as you know, spoken English course is going to be launched very soon in this group, so keep your eye here and stay connected to get all the updates. And there will be amazing lessons, there will be a lot of fun lessons, and you'll learn English very easily and very effectively. I'll see you real soon. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz. Ta-da!